Here's the first load test of the Kohler 6.5 R22 from 1965. I think it's 65. Here's the nameplate. If we can get in there and focus. There it is. I think that serial number comes up as 1965. 6.5 K.V.A, all at 120 volts. So we have a 5,000 watt Mole Richardson studio lamp for a load. I've had this running, just got it running. Well, it was running when I bought it, but the crankcase was full of just awful stuff that I've flushed out, and I'll change the oil a couple more times. Came with this cart. The hand crank's a little messed up, so it's electric start only from the car battery here. Got a jerry-rigged fuel tank hanging up there. I was having carburation problems. I think it was the old rubber fuel line shedding particles into it, so we have a new fuel line with a filter right before the carburetor. Kind of also jerry-rigged, but if it works out, we'll maybe plumb in a nice metal line. So let's try and start this up. Just the electrical's messed up on this too. Starting contactor is bad, so other work to do. Right. Running. And getting a good connection. There we go. 120 volts. 19, 61, 62 cycles. Now, let's throw on the load. Thought it'd be interesting. Oh, nothing. Ah, well, that's always nice. So much for that nice test. Lamp worked before, and now it doesn't. That's too bad. Huh. Alright, well, that concludes that test. Bummer. Okay, let's